And hello again, people. We are on our way to the next job. It's going to be an interesting one. It's a Toyota Landcruiser and it's on a farm. I've been told I'm going to be in a barn with horses, so this should be an interesting one. I'll carry on filming when we get there. I've just uploaded a video. Well, I'm going to be uploading a video that I filmed earlier on today as well. So yeah, I'll carry on filming as soon as I get to this farm. We should be there in about 10 minutes. Look at the weather, gorgeous. And here we are, guys. It's a lovely wet evening. We're on a farm and this is the patient today. Landcruiser. What year is it? Let's have a quick look. It's a 2013 Landcruiser 63 plate. So the issue with this one is air conditioning. It's been to another garage. The gas was refilled and the aircon still doesn't work. In the process of them not properly re-gassing the aircon, they've also knackered up the ventilation system, so now there's no fan, nothing works. So most important thing to fix for us today is the fan, to make sure that they can demist the windows and get some heat in the car. Secondly, we need to check the aircon system and see if there's enough pressure in it and see if the compressor's working, etc., and find out what's actually going on with the system. So I've plugged the Autel in, we're on. I will get connected, and first I'll just show you our audience. We've got some audience, some interesting oh, there was one there, but anyway, yeah, we've got 3 horses that are watching what I do, so yeah, I think they're quite interested to see if I can actually sort this one or not. We will get connected. What's it doing that for? Oh, right, give me a few minutes, guys. I'll be back shortly, and we'll find out what faults are coming up. So, just completed the scan. Let's have a look at the report. We have... Oh, calm down, mate. It's alright. We have lost communication with HVAC. Current historic. Some issues in the nav system. Brake signal. That's historic. Current, lost communication with the HVAC. So we've definitely got HVAC out. We're going to have to pull up some wiring diagrams, check power supply to the HVAC system, because I can't get the pressure, the AC pressure, without being able to read the HVAC system. So I'm going to have to jump in the van, get all data up on the laptop, and pull up some wiring diagrams for this vehicle. So I will be back as soon as that's done. So after I just said that I would go into the van and put up the wiring diagrams, I actually didn't do that. I wanted to cheat and try and hurry up, so I just started testing fuses. I tested the fuse box in the vehicle under the driver's footwell, and I tested the fuse box under the bonnet, and all the fuses are okay. So I don't understand why there's no power going to the HVAC unit, and I've just pulled up all data now because I really need help. And they do not have the Landcruiser wiring diagrams. They've got a Landcruiser J200 listed, but no, because it's in grey, there's no wiring diagram. So why even put it there? I don't understand. Yeah, so they haven't even got, that's the old Landcruiser, like 90s shape. So this is a 2013, so absolutely useless again. And yeah, so we'll have to, wow, the rain is absolutely ridiculous. Not that you can see it. Let me try and help you. Anyway, yeah, it's chucking it down. I don't know what to do. I'm going to have to take the dash apart and pull the HVAC unit out, basically, to test power to the actual module. It may well be a failed module. Not sure. It's going to be a tricky one, but it's getting late, and I'd like to try and get this one finished up. So this is going to be This has turned into a bigger job than I expected, to be honest. All the fuses are okay, and I can't find any wiring diagrams for the HVAC unit. So I will. What will I do? What will I do? I'll see how easy it is to try and get to the HVAC module, wherever that is. I think it's going to be built into the dash or behind the dash somewhere, and then we'll test power and ground to it. But I'm assuming that getting the dash out of this Landcruiser is going to be a bit of a job. Right, so in the car, obviously you've got your HVAC unit here, but I'm assuming this is just going to be the control panel. I don't know where the actual module is going to be. I'm going to have a look under here. I found a module here, which may well be the HVAC module. I'm not sure. We'll have a little look. I'll try and disassemble this vent system and this cover and get to it and check power and grounds to it, or actually look at the module and see what it is. Might be some completely different module, so I'll carry on filming once I've got all this apart. So I took this bottom panel off, but there are several modules, or about 6, 7, 8 modules in total. I'm not sure if you can see up there. There's a few there. There's one there, if you can see, and the HVAC module, as far as I can tell, is going to be behind the dash. So all this has got to come out. I mean, yeah, it's going to be a big job, and these are built pretty tough. It's not like they're cheaply put together. There's no giving these panels. Solid Landcruiser. So yeah. I'm going to have to advise the customer and tell them that we need the car in the garage. They're not going to be able to use it if we take it apart, or if I take it apart. So I mean the royal we, of course, as the dude would say from Big Lebowski. Excellent film. Anyway, yeah, it's getting late and this needs a lot more work. So I'm going to have to probably break the bad news to the customer and yeah, carry on filming when we get this into the workshop, into the new garage, because I doubt we'll be able to do anything here. If we take it apart and we find it's got a HVAC module failed, having to find a replacement module, it means trips out back and forth to the customer, which will be more money for them, and it will take more time for us to fix the problem. So we're going to need this car in the garage to do it properly and efficiently. So I will leave the filming here for now. It's been a bit of an unfortunate one, but I can assure you, I'll show you the fuses I tested. Tested all these fuses, all okay. Haven't tested the relays because I don't know which ones are which, so, well, they're difficult to test unless you know which ones are which. So, and as we haven't got any wiring diagrams, we can't find out what's going on. So yeah, I've tested all these fuses. And also tested all the fuses under there, if you can see. So they're all okay. There's a bit of a suspicious wiring job going on here. I don't know what that's about. We'll have to ask the customer. But other than that, yeah, it's going to be a no-go on this one, unfortunately. So I hate it when this happens, but we're going to have to leave it there. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And what's this horse doing? Look at him. Looking at me, just eating. Right, I'm hungry too. I better get going. Right, thanks for watching, guys. See you again soon.